One of the biggest things with mortgage assumptions that confuses buyers is, how do the numbers work out? Not the interest rate, not the mortgage payment, but between what's owed, what the home is worth, etc. Let's put some examples on the board. Let's say someone bought a property years ago for $400,000, maybe it was 3-4 years ago, and maybe now they owe $375,000. So let's say that the loan balance equals $375,000. They paid $400,000 for the property, say 2 years ago, and now the property is worth $500,000. That leaves a $125,000 difference. So keep in mind, any buyers are totally willing to put 20% down. 20% of 500 would be $100,000, and that would get you down to needing a mortgage for $400,000. So if you can come up with another $25,000, now you're getting yourself into a 3% mortgage, roughly, hypothetically, instead of a 7% mortgage. Okay? Let's say you have a $400,000. Well, let's think of it this way. Let's say you had you were planning on having a $400,000 mortgage. A $400,000 mortgage at 7% equals roughly $2,700 per month. A $375,000 mortgage at 3% equals like $1,600, roughly speaking. Obviously, check the mortgage calculator on LamacchiaRealty.com. But think about the difference here, folks. This is $1,100 a month in savings. $1,100 a month times 12 months a year. Okay? 12 months a year, that's what? $13,200 times 30 years. Do the math. Okay? It's over, what is that, $360,000, $70,000, $80,000 in savings by coming up with the additional $25,000. Now, there are cases, if we change these numbers, let's say the property's now worth $600,000, and someone says, well, I can't come up with $225,000. In those instances, you can talk to local banks, talk to your own bank, and try to figure out a way to obtain a second mortgage, home equity line of credit, maybe borrow from someone you know. There are different options, but they're a little bit foggy right now because mortgage assumptions are becoming popular again. Okay, and they haven't been popular for a few years. This is something we're actively working on, and we're coming up with several options for people to be able to do this. So get in contact with us. We will help you navigate it and try to get you into one of these properties. Think about the savings, folks. It's significant. You need to get on our list, so as we bring these properties in, we can expose these properties with rates like this, 3%, to you. That's all, folks. Hope that helps you better understand how to make up for that difference. We'll talk to you soon.